when lady tried to thank him, but she could not thank enough, Brian Simpson smiled and closed the trunk of the car. That means he kept all those tools inside back the car dicky and closed the trunk. The lady then asked him how much she owed him, and any amount he asked would be all right with her. As lady thought she could not thank enough him, so she wanted to give money for his help. So the lady simply asked how much would he need. Whatever amount he would ask would be good for him. I mean, no matter for him, she could pay any of amount he would ask. She said to him that he not stopped help her. Many dangerous things could have happened to her. Brian Simpson reminded that why he had stopped there. If he had not stopped there, there were so many dangerous things could have happened to her. अगर वो वहाँ खड़ा नहीं रहता, हेल्प नहीं करता, तो बहुत डेंजरस थिंग उसके साथ होने वाली थी. इतना बोल दिया ब्रायन सिम्पसन ने. When lady asked for money for his reward for helping her, Brian Simpson replied this. Brian never thought even for once about being paid. This was not job for him. She saw he was just helping someone who was in dire need to help. Actually, Brian told he had been there not for the money. It is his nature to help anyone whosoever in dire means in difficulty. That's why he had been there. There had been plenty of people who had helped him in his dire time. He had lived his whole life that way, and it never occurred to him to act in any other way. He told that he lived his life in such a way, in this manner, because whenever he was in difficulty, in dire time, one way or other way, God had sent help to him. This is why he thought to help everybody whosoever in dire means difficulty. So then onward he started living or leading life for helping one way or other to everybody. He act not for money but for help. He told the lady that if she really wanted to pay him back, the next time she saw someone who need help, she could give that person the help he might needed. And when you do that, just think that you have paid me back he needed. When lady wanted to reward with money, Brian Simpson told his story that why he had helped her. Even he told her if she wanted to help him or wanted to reward him for his help, she must promise him helping the others whenever she find anyone in her life badly in need of help. By the time if she helped him or her, she should think that she had already paid Brian Simpson for his help. If she did so, he would get his reward for his help. This is what Brian Simpson told. कहा कि जब भी तुम आपकी तरह कोई भी अगर मुसीबत में हो और उसको हेल्प करोगे तो समझ लेना कि आपने मुझे पैसे दे दिए, मुझे रिवॉर्ड दे दिया. As the lady started her car, and drove away, he waited there and then he stand he started his own journey toward his home. Now, lady had started her car moving her home. Same way, Brian Simpson also started his car going to home. It was a long way, quite cold and dull, but he was feeling good as he headed for home, disappearing into the twilight. Though he was tired throughout the day, but he was feeling happy as he was going to home. So it's a natural feeling. Whenever we are going to home, we feel happy. Though we are tired a lot more. But it's better to go home. That's why we don't feel that much tiresome. Instead, we feel happiness. And it happened with Brian Simpson the same. He was going to home. Though it was a long journey, though he was tired whole day, but he was feeling happy. Let's move to next paragraph. Meanwhile, the lady came across a small cafe few kilometers down the road. She got down from her car and entered into the cafe to have a cup of coffee, a toast of two to eat and to warm herself before gearing up to the last leg of her journey. The cafe was not in a very good looking position. Outside it were two old shop and a rejected petrol pump. It was a strange looking place. Here, lady also started on her way. On the way, she felt tired. She wanted to refresh herself. That's why at one of the hotel she stood. Though the hotel was not looking good place because side by side the shops were closed. There was a rejected petrol pump. But she wanted to warm up herself. She wanted to have a coffee or toast to eat. That's why she stopped there. Let's move to next paragraph. The waitress came over and brought a clean towel to wipe the lady's wet hair. She had smile on her face, in spite of all the fact that for the whole day she had been on her foot. The lady noticed that the waitress was going to have a baby. Here, as and when the old lady entered the hotel, there the waitress came with a towel. Because the waitress found the old lady having a wet hair. So to wipe out her wet hair, the lady waitress came with a towel. By the time this old lady could see this waitress throughout the day giving service, not tired, and she was going to have a baby. Looking at waitress, the old lady could understand the waitress was going to give a baby birth. She must have been suffering the strain and ache, she thought, but still there was no change in the attitude of the waitress. The old lady wondered how someone who had so little salary could be so giving to a stranger. Here, this old lady could feel the difference between person to person. When she saw this waitress being tired, was going to give a baby birth with a poor salary, everything she could understand. She thought, how could this lady waitress manage herself with this little salary? How could she, could she afford a baby birth? She was thinking on the way of human being. As she was very rich, she could feel the poor being and suffering from the poverty. At this, she remembered Brain, the man who helped her when she needed it most. After finishing her meal, she paid with £100 bill. The waitress quickly went to get change for her £100 bill, but the lady had slipped right out of the door. She was gone by the time waitress came back. As lady had finished her coffee, toast and everything, she got refreshed. But during her breakfast, she could think about this waitress. She found this waitress being poor. Meanwhile, she remembered the word of Brian. What Brian had said when she tried to give him reward for his help. She simply remembered the word of Brian Simpson. And here was the right place to put into force to practice those words into practical way. She got the bill of her breakfast coffee and she paid for that £100 pound bill. Lady waitress took the ₹100 and she went inside to change. But when she came back, the old lady, was out of the door when she came back. Now let's move to next page.